Hello traders, today we're looking at the Leader EMA Indicator for MetaTrader 5, and I'll show you how this leading version of the exponential moving average works on your chart. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks like in real time. On the chart, the Leader EMA Indicator overlays a modified exponential moving average line that is designed to be more responsive than a standard EMA. The Leader EMA attempts to reduce the inherent lag of traditional moving averages by incorporating a leading component into its calculation. This results in a line that may react more quickly to price changes while still maintaining some degree of smoothing. If you look closer at the line, it works just as a moving average but with color changes. As you can see here, price rises above the moving average, indicating a bullish trend, and if it falls below it, indicating bearish trend, while also acting as support and resistance zone, like a moving average. And let's look at the settings. When we go to its input, we can see the EMA cycle period, the price, and the color mode. If you go to its colors, you can see the Leader EMA showing the color changes. Who is this indicator for? This indicator is designed for traders on MetaTrader 5 who want a more responsive moving average with less lag. It is a visual and analytical tool and does not execute trades for traders. However, while reduced lag can be beneficial, it also makes the indicator more susceptible to noise and false signals. It is wise to always combine this with other analysis tools and use proper risk management to avoid loss. That's gonna wrap up today's video, folks. If you like to download this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. This is the Forex Geek, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next one.